Hi, I'm Dave Maxwell, the manufacturing analyst here at Viewrail. Today we're here in our new display studio that's under construction and figured this would be a great time to show you what kind of blocking you'll need when you're installing your new flight system. One of our most common tech questions we receive from our customers is, what kind of blocking do I need and where do I need it? The first place we'll talk about today is the header blocking. With header blocking, what you're going to need is at least triple 2x construction or a double LVL. All right, next let's talk about subfloor requirements for the base of your stringer. If you're mounting onto wood, you'll need at least, again like the header, triple 2x construction or double LVLs, and both of those have got to be mounted to structural subfloor members. If you're using concrete floor, you need to have at least 4-inch thick depth. Okay, just a couple of tips. One thing, when you're installing your blocking, it's always best to do it prior to having sheetrock or whatever wall finish you're having hung. Also, when scheduling your installers, please make sure to wait to schedule your installers till after you're notified that your product is on the way.